Welcome to Bonnie's Kitchen. This is the first video with my new camera. I'm so excited! Today we are prepping smoothie bowls and, I don't know why I keep saying smoothie bowls, smoothie bags for work. I'm headed back to work this next week and I need to do better. I never prep my lunches, so I grab chips or some sort of granola bar or something like that. So I hope that you'll join me in making smoothie bags. I do them a little different as far as adding the protein powders and all the other powders that I'm adding. Protein powder, so we're doing Garden of Life. We're doing protein and greens in chocolate. We're doing flaxseed, chocolate PB2, and organic cocoa powder. Is it cocoa or cacao? Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to get started. First, I'm going to dice up some celery. So let's get that. Okay. I cut it in half. We'll cut off these yucky ends. And we'll cut off the top. And then I have these bags from Seed and Sprout that I ordered for produce that I love. So did get some bananas, but I realized I have some bananas that need to be used. So we'll go ahead and do that. Just lost some bananas. A review on this knife will be coming up. I'm testing it out right now and I can't tell you how I feel about it. Just chopped up some bananas and some celery, and we've got some mixed frozen fruit and some cherries and some mango and spinach. So we're just going to start building our smoothie bowls, or our smoothie bags. Got some spinach. I'm going to try to put quite a bit of spinach in here. Just do a little bit of celery and just some banana to add a little bit of flavor. And then we'll add, let's do cherries. I got some tart cherries. So let's do some cherries in this one. And that's the good thing about smoothies is you can customize it. I think I forgot to get some cocoa powder, so I'm going to, for this particular one, I'm not going to put any of the powders with the veggies and fruit. I'm going to put it in a separate bag or bring it with me to work. But this is the one that I'm going to get. It was just on sale in the health food section in my store, and it's magnesium rich and mood boosting, minimally processed. So I really, really like it. It has got a lot of potassium and magnesium and iron, and so I just like adding it. It adds a little bit extra richness to my smoothie. My hubby got this. It's the PB2, but it is the chocolate powdered peanut butter. So I might add that in some of my smoothies. So each day might have a little bit different as far as the veggies go and the fruit, and then the powder mixture, the protein, the cocoa powder, the PB2, it might be a different variation on what I end up putting in. So let's just build the rest of this. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you come back, and I hope that you found it useful or at least got some tips from it. And I hope that you join me again. Bye-bye.